Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and welcome back to our unit test series. So in today's video, we're going to be setting up our test file. So you might be saying, why in the world do we need to set up our test file? Well, I alluded to that is because we're literally going to be bringing that file in and running a test on it. So as you can see here, let's take a minute and really focus on this. So right now I don't have anything to test, and that's fine. I haven't really had decided, but this is super important because this is the methodology. So my file is my_class.py, and you'll see that that's basically a module because we're about to import it in just a second. Now, here's the super important part. As you can see here, test_my, and then so it's basically this module with test underscore in front of it. So we'll go more in depth into that, but that is the super important part. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us, and this is what we do. We do micro videos. So last video we talked about some inheritance. We'll get to that in just a second, but so we need to bring in unit test first, then we need to bring in my class, which is, and this is not capitalized. So here we go. So I'm bringing in this file, this module that we're going to run our tests on. So now we've bookend. We got the front. Now we need to create our class. Now this isn't super important, but you want to have it where something you can understand it and know what in the world you're doing. So we're just going to do test class. And now here's where we do the inheritance. Test case. All right. So now this is the middle. Now here's the important part, and I always forget, is it this side? It's not that side. So if you do not understand what name underscore main is, or even inheritance. So first right now I'm going to put the inheritance up above, the link above, and then next I'm going to put this little bit, if underscore name equals underscore main. Now this is a little odd. If you do understand this line, it's unit test. It's two T's, not two I's. Unit test dot main. So here we go. So now here is a link to this. If this is completely foreign to you, make sure you watch this video above, and it explains what this is as a file. This is a control of what is being run and what is being looked at. So let's delve into this again. So I'm bringing in, I have my file, my test file, which is named exactly the same as my module that I'm working with, my file with test in front of it, lowercase t. Then I bring in unit test. Then I bring in this file, this module, inherit test case, and then I do this right here. So now in the middle, it's a little bit easier, but these, and it makes a little bit more sense, but these are the important features that you've got to get down. And please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Jump over to Discord. We're having a lot of good conversations over there. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for me. But please, 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 you're not in this alone. If there's any steps, any of these little steps that I have not gone into detail enough, please let me know, because if you have that question, somebody else has that question. And next video we're going to be doing, I think I've decided we're going to do some math and some strings, and then we're going to look at those methods, lay those out, write those, and then we'll come over here and write our tests. So all right guys, as always, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.